What's up, gentlemen? Welcome back to One with Metis. So about a week ago, a very young subscriber of mine has come up with a question that he wants to know how to gain weight as a skinny guy. So he gave me a very nice idea to film this video, and I talked to him for about an hour, and he's doing great right now. He's actually building some muscle mass, and he reports great results. So in this video I will be talking about how to gain weight, how to gain muscle, become stronger, look physically bigger as a skinny or a skinny fat guy, because I know you guys have a little bit of struggle. I don't personally have this struggle because I've never been that skinny guy, but I've done some very extensive research and I've seen these methods work over and over, and let's get into it. But before that, only about 20% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up enjoying this video and you find it helpful, smash that subscribe button, give this video a like for the algorithm, and let's get into it. This is probably going to end up being a little bit of a longer video on my channel, but pay attention and trust me, if you execute what I'm going to say in this video, what I'm going to teach you, you will very soon see results when it comes to building physical strength and building muscle mass. But before that, let's talk a little bit of theory, how your body works, and then I'm going to give you practical things how to actually build more muscle mass. So first of all, there is 3 body types that have been defined, and they are ectomorph, endomorph, and a mesomorph. So you're probably, if you're skinny or even skinny fat, you're probably belong to the ectomorph body type, and it's good because you're probably, if you build more muscle mass, you're still going to be very lean. You will still have low percentage of muscle mass compared to, for example, endomorph. So what that means, ectomorph means that your body is not really storing much energy in a form of fat. For example, you've probably seen throughout your whole life, if you've always been skinny, that you can eat quite a lot of food, like more than anyone else, and still be very lean, very skinny, and still not have that much fat tissue, okay? So this is your advantage actually. But compared to other body types, you are slightly going to have difficulties building more muscle mass. It's slightly going to be slower. But if you really put a lot of effort into it, you are going to achieve great results, and you probably won't have any disadvantages to other body types. You are still going to be building quite a bit of muscle mass, but I'm telling you, it's a little bit slower and tougher to build muscle mass compared to the other body types. For example, some people that have been fat for most of their life, for example me, I have very easy time building muscle mass, but I have a bit of a harder time when it comes to losing body fat. But you, on the other side, have very low body fat percentage. So that means you will achieve a great physique only if you build muscle mass. And that's what we are going to focus right now. The only way to get your body to store more energy and to store more proteins and stuff is to work out, and work out hard. You really have to put a lot of effort when it comes to working out. What I recommend is doing compound exercises, for example, deadlifts, bench press, military press, squats, something like that. Do not just go for the isolation like biceps curls or stuff like that, triceps extensions. You first of all need to go for the compound movements. Push-ups, very nice. If you can add up some weight on your back, for example, or something like that, and do a lot of push-ups, pull-ups and stuff like that, it's really going to help you build that core strength from compound movements. Then you can actually implement some isolation exercises in order to really hit those muscles hard, and that way they will become more filled, more and bigger. That's how you do things. First, you focus on compound movements. You will build strength very quickly, I'm telling you. And the strength may not follow really the muscle mass that you're going to gain, but on the other side, it will come very slowly. You will look bigger, you will be stronger, and that's the end goal. Okay, so first of all, focus on compound movements. I'm telling you, deadlifts, squats, bench press, military press, pull-ups, push-ups. These 6 exercises, amazing for every single part of your body. You want to do this and you want to progressively increase the overload, which means that you're, for example, 1 week you will do, what are you going to do? 80 kilograms with on a deadlift, for example. It's very low, but for the starters it's great. 80 kilograms. The next week you may try for 82 or 85, something like that. You want to progressively increase the amount of weight you can lift, and that's what shows you that you are gaining strength, and your muscle mass will soon, very soon, follow your strength gain. Okay, but you cannot really have a shitty diet at the same time. Being skinny doesn't give you an excuse to have a shitty diet. Let's talk about diet right now. You want to eat as clean as possible. You don't want to eat burgers, pizzas, pastas, or whatever you may be used to eating and still being very low body fat percentage. You want to eat clean food, because you are right now, if you're working out, you're stimulating your body to build muscle mass, to build more tissue and to be bigger. So you have to provide actually good nutrients to your body, which means you need to provide enough protein, you need to provide enough fats, you need to provide enough carbs for the workouts, you need to provide enough minerals and vitamins. You have to drink a lot of water also. So these are very important, which means you are gonna have to work on your diet. You may be skinny for your whole life and you can eat shit food all the time and be very skinny and have six-pack abs, but this time you have to provide good nutrients for your body. If you're not, the results are not gonna be there. You're not going to build as much strength and muscle mass if you have a shitty diet. So you have to still have a good diet, like my basic diet that I recommend for everyone is meat, veggies, fruits, milk products, eggs, and like any source of carbs like rice, potatoes, or whatever you want. But even pasta or something like that can also work, but avoid sugar, avoid garbage processed foods. Do not eat them. Eat as clean as possible. You have to provide all the nutrients because you are stimulating your body with workouts, and you need to get those nutrients in, so your body will actually save them and use them to build muscle mass. This is the only way. You have to still get enough rest, enough sleep, which means 6 to 7 hours every single night. Go to bed earlier, then drink enough water, and you will soon, very soon, see the results. Okay, let's recap so you don't forget. You have to start working out and working out hardcore. You have to progressively increase the amount of weight that you can lift. You will start with compound movements like deadlifts, bench press, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, military press, even shoulder press. These are all amazing exercises, and you want to start with them. You want to increase the amount of weight you can actually lift. When it comes to push-ups and pull-ups, all those body weight exercises, add some weight if it becomes easy for you. Okay, then you can actually implement some isolation exercises like bicep curls, like triceps extensions, these arm workouts, whatever isolates like 1 or 2 muscles that work on the movement. First start with the compound movements, then isolation movements will complement and make your muscles even bigger and stronger. Okay, then you wanna also at the same time work on your diet. You wanna eat clean food as much as possible. Start with the 80-20 rule, which means 80% of your food is gonna be clean food, 20% eat whatever. but aim for 100% clean food, because you're stimulating your body right now and you have to get enough nutrients in order to grow. If you do not have your diet on point, the results are not gonna be there. Then you have to also work on your sleep and your rest. You have to sleep 6 to 7 hours every single day. By the way, in the end screen, I will put a video on 5 things that ruin your sleep. If you are doing this stuff, stop doing them and you will have a better sleep, for example. You have to drink more water, and all these things combined will give you amazing results. You're going to be building strength, you're going to be building muscle mass, you're going to be looking bigger, wider, and a lot better. You're still going to be very low body fat percentage. You're going to have 6-pack abs and more toned and bigger muscles. You're going to be looking amazing. So execute what I'm saying right now. If you need more information, I have still more videos on my channel. Check them out. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, found it informative. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.